Hi, I'm Amol Srivastava, and I'll be talking about importance of answer writing. So, if you see this UPSC Civil Services examination, so the 86% of the weightage of the final marks are based on your writing, which includes your essay, your GS paper, and optional paper, and only 14% of the marks are for interview. So, out of 2025 marks, 2025 marks. 1750 are for your mains and 275 marks are for the interview. So you can see that if you write your answers properly and you have developed a good command over answer writing, then definitely you will be able to increase your chances of selection, and you won't have to rely much on the interview marks. So that because interview, we are not very sure that what kind of questions will be asked, or how will the interview go. So it's always good to have developed a good command over answer writing, so that you don't depend on your interview for your selection. Also, why answer writing is important, because as I said that the 86% marks are with the writing part. So we are not going to physically go and give answers to all of the questions that are asked in the mains examination. It's an answer sheet that travels. So the important part is that you should be able to uh, tell about your personality, your suitability for the job through your answers. So even though the questions could be related to some current affairs or some social issues or some history, geography, all the subjects that are in UPSC, but the way you write an answer, that will show that what kind of person you are, and the way you use your words, the way the how you use the language, what kind of words you are using, and how you logically present your answers, what is the structural flow in your answers. So these things are very important. So in the beginning of the preparation, many of the aspirants, they take this answer writing very casually, that if they just prepare their notes, or if they know about a particular topic, they'll be able to write answers, and they'll get through this examination. But this does not happen like this. Answer writing is a complete it's a complete part of this UPSC examination, which has to be inculcated right from the first day, and it is an art, or it is a skill that has to be nurtured right from the first day. It is not the case that once you have studied everything and next day you will be able to write very good answers. That will not happen at all. So right from the first day you have to start practicing your answers, and in the beginning you will be writing very bad answers. That's absolutely okay, and it will take 1 to 2 hours to write one answer. That's also absolutely fine. But the important part is that you understand the basics of answer writing, why you have to write an answer, what are the basic rules of answer writing, then how you can add value to your answers, because there's so much of competition in this examination that uh, if your answers are not value loaded, or if your answers are not rich, then you may, despite writing correct things, you will be at the back of the list, or you may not even get selected. So that is why answer writing is important. Then you have to understand how answer writing is important for all the papers. Like GS1, there is a different strategy for answer writing. For GS2, the questions are quite complicated, so you have to follow a different kind of strategy. For GS3, it's completely different, and for GS4, that is ethics, it's totally different, because the nature of the questions is different. You have to write some vague questions about some vague and subjective questions, where you have to write about from your own inherent experiences, rather than studying from any book. Then you have to solve case study. That this is the GS4 is a paper where you are put in the shoes of an administrator, and questions are asked from you, and you have to write in that way. So in total, answer writing is very important, and no matter how much you have studied, no matter how many books you have studied, no matter how much memory you have, or how much you have grasped from different sources, if you are not able to write good answers, if you are not able to present them well, if you are not able to structure them well, or organize them well, then your all the effort will go into vain, and your then it will be very difficult for you to clear this examination. So if I would say that it is only the answer writing part that will make it or break it. So so now I think you would have understood the importance of answer writing, and I think you will be able to take all the steps, so that you are developing the skill of answer writing right from the first day. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in the course of this preparation.